1100 miniature jet boat. Yes, the mini jet boat does blow up in this video, and it's the 1100 Kawasaki triple engine that we swapped into this thing. Last time I had this boat out on the water, I was riding around, stopped, and I couldn't get restarted, and I thought there was something wrong with the starter. It ended up just being a simple ground cable that was bad, and I replaced that. And then we're back out here on the water, and this is in the midst of all the wildfires, so that's why there's all the smoke, and it kind of looks weird and ominous. Kind of a perfect backdrop for what's about to happen. We got the starter all sorted out, and the cables on the mini jet boat. Gonna take it back out today, and I plan on running that angle that we were trying to do before, right before I had trouble. So basically just picking right up where I left off. Jacob is out here working on the Ripa.
Yep.
So it's a possibility that'll be in the background, or maybe not. That might just have its own separate video. We'll just see how it all goes. Seems to be fouling spark plugs today, so I'm going to go ahead and change the spark plugs. Hopefully it'll be running good after that. This engine seems to be fouling spark plugs today. I went ahead and changed the spark plugs on the Kawasaki 1100 triple. I think it finally blew up. Oh, what a sweet relief. Oh, good. Good. It was a long tow back home, but Dad's towing service is always on hand with a cheerful smile and says, "Hey, do you need a tow?" As we tow back, it's a sweet sigh of relief knowing that 1100 is done. The 1100 Kawasaki, in its final kiss of destruction, decided to end its life in the river where these miniature aluminum jet boats were meant to be in the first place. So as it was meant to be, so it has come to an end. And as the miniature jet boat burns, it's only a symbolic burning, because realistically the only thing we hated was that 1100 Kawasaki engine. And not that there's anything wrong with those Kawasaki triples, we love them when they work correctly, but this particular one just had its issues. Having the engine blow up doesn't ruin the day. I was out there on the water with my dad and my brother, which was the best I could have possibly hoped for in the first place. Oh yeah, and the 1100 is not mine, so who cares? Oh man. That was fun.
Worked out. Was it happy before it blew up?
Sort of.
Did it die happy?
Yeah, it had one last amazing run. If you liked that video, definitely check out another video on this miniature aluminum jet boat because we have tons of videos on this thing. I'll have that playlist pop up in the card right here. And also we have other jet ski stuff, so if you want to see some different builds, just click around on our channel. You'll find all kinds of different and weird builds that we have done. I'm going to go ahead and do another bonus video for our very dedicated fans. There's one of those hidden videos that you can only find by clicking the link in the description of this video. So for all you dedicated super hardcore JSB fans, just click in the description and you can head over to that secret video. There's not going to be anything else on this video that you need to see, so you can feel free to go click on that now.